Tacoma diesel swap.
Eagle has landed. Here it is, everybody. 2007 diesel Tacoma swap candidate. That was kind of intense, but we have the independent front suspension out. Now we can grind a little bit more and make room for that solid axle conversion that I didn't quite tell you about yet, but this is what it's getting. I probably threw you a little curveball there. We're doing a solid axle swap, but we are going to continue on with that diesel engine. Here we have it for next week's episode when we pull the diesel out of this truck and put it in our 2007 Tacoma. Please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be notified when the newest video comes out.